Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Cynthia Garden. We are in the kitchen and we are again back with another vegan recipe. So in today's recipe, we are going to cook green bananas. I have already peeled them, and if you don't want them to become black, apply some flour. So that is what I've done. Then we have arrowroot, potatoes, and butternut. This is our meal for tonight. So join me as we do this. Guys, I told you vegan food can be very interesting to cook and very nutritious, very delicious to eat. So we'll be doing vegan foods once a week. So join me as we do this, as we cook our vegan food number 2. So guys, remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe, and also join the community. So let us do this. So start by preparing your onions. I have my red onions, my spring onions, I have my garlic and my ginger. These ones I'm not going to crush them. I'm just going to dice them into small pieces. Then my green bananas are already peeled and cut into half. My arrowroots are peeled and cut in cubes and pieces. Then we have the butternut and the potatoes, and then we have our tomatoes. Then to spice it up, I have my spices as usual. So let us do this. Let's enjoy the meal, let's enjoy the cooking, and let's enjoy the meal. So you start by frying your red onions. Fry them until they become golden brown. They're cooking well. But next, going with your other onions. Your ginger, your garlic, and your other green onions. Now the flavors, guys, so nice. Jangan cuma mengacak, apa? Cook the mixture well. At this point, you can add your spices. So let's go in with our spices. So here goes our cube, Kenyan cube. We go in with Italian spice. We go in with cardamom and peri. So stir the spices so that they can really sit in the oil. And because you don't want it to stick, you put your tomato. Cook the tomatoes and it will become tender. The tomato is well cooked. Now we can go in with the other ingredients. At this point, you don't need to put this and this. Just put them, all of them at the same time. They cook. All of them cook at the same rate. So we don't need to cook bananas, then we wait. No, we cook all of them at the same time. So already we have put everything. The arrowroot, the banana, the potato, the butternut. So we are going to add enough water to cover everything, cover our pot, and let it cook. As simple as that, guys. So our food looks like that. So let us give it time to cook. Let us give it time to cook. Then we show the end result. Our vegan menu, our vegan recipe, bananas, potato and arrowroots are cooking well. I'm sorry for this, yes, like that now. Look at that. So from my testing, the bananas are cooked, but the arrowroot is just a little bit not yet cooked. So we give it about 5 minutes, then we serve our delicacy. Enjoy it. Perfecto, guys. So nice. This is so nice. Look at our meal for today. So nice. So allow me to serve, and we enjoy. I'll show you the end result. So this one is already ready to be served. So let's enjoy, let's serve and enjoy. So let us serve our food, guys. I like the way everything has cooked, not broken. And now, ooh. And our food is ready. You can serve it like that. You can maybe serve with roast chicken, nyama choma. Serve it as a meal. It's complete. So nice. Nice for vegetarian. Add kachumbari, and you're good to go. So the remaining on the pot, I don't need to serve everything. So nice. So nice, guys. Our arrowroot, green banana and potato butternut is ready. A very nice meal for vegetarians. So until next time, allow me to begin in my food, enjoy and relax. Until next time, bye bye. Remember to like, remember to share, and also remember to subscribe. Bye bye for now, guys. Bye bye. Love you so much.